Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a more special video. Today we are going to be doing a slime video of how to make it. The ingredients are clear glue, water, baking soda. If you want, you can put glitter if you want. And you can pick any color you want. I just chose blue. Also, you would need some Seline solution. Packets look like this. And here we go. We're starting off. Okay. Okay guys, first you have to tip in just a bit of glue, like around that much. Yeah, then you add in the water. Next, you will have to mix it with something. Just coming, guys. I can cut this out. Okay, you're going to have to mix it now. Now, you will put the glitter, as people like to make it look a bit better. Just getting the scissors, guys. Okay, guys, we are back with this. Here we go, guys. Then you can put any color, which is yellow, gold, silver, red, orange, blue, green, pink, and dark green. Pretty hard taking it all out, but yeah. Here's the glitter. Okay. Now guys, you will have to mix it around. I'm gonna have to add some more. Okay, to make it all sparkly and green. Now guys, you are going to add your food coloring. I have chosen blue because it matches my glitter. And yeah, my favorite color is red anyway, but like, I don't really care. So, you add some drops in. And if it doesn't turn out quite good, add just a tiny bit more. So, we're gonna mix it all in. Now guys, going to be able to put some baking powder in. Just wait, guys. Okay, guys, we are back. Just add some bits of baking powder there. That's got to be enough. Mix it all up. Mix, mix, mix. Now, guys, lucky last part of the ingredient. You add the saline solution. Mix, mix. All we have to do is just keep on mixing. We'll add a tiny bit more. We're just going to add a bit more glucose. Yeah. Kind of mix it all around. Okay. You just take some time to just mix it all in. Keep on mixing. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and leave a like. The last ingredient to do is, all you have to do is just keep on mixing, and after a couple more minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, it will turn into slime once you add the saline solution. See you guys.